Have you ever wondered how organisms interact with their environment? How they manage to survive, reproduce, and thrive? The answers to these questions lie in the fascinating field of ecology, the scientific study of interactions between organisms and their environment. Ecology is a wide-ranging discipline, encompassing not only the relationships between organisms and their physical surroundings, but also their interactions with other organisms. It seeks to understand why organisms live where they do and in what numbers, and how these populations and communities change and respond to their environment over time. At the heart of ecology are organisms, the living beings that inhabit our world. These can be studied individually as populations of the same species, as communities of different species interacting within a defined area, or as part of ecosystems, which include both the living organisms and their physical environment. Where an organism lives, its habitat is characterized by its physical and biological features, but each organism also has a niche, a unique role and position within its habitat. This niche includes the organism's interactions with other organisms and its use of resources. An organism's environment is made up of both abiotic and biotic factors. Abiotic factors are the non-living components like temperature, water, sunlight, soil, and climate. Biotic factors, on the other hand, are the living components, the other organisms that an organism interacts with, such as predators, prey, competitors, and symbiotic partners. Ecological studies are conducted at different levels of biological organization, from individuals to populations, communities, ecosystems, and even the entire biosphere, the global ecological system. A key aspect of ecology is understanding the flow of energy and the cycling of nutrients. Energy enters ecosystems through sunlight, which is captured by photosynthetic organisms and passed along the food chain as organisms consume one another. Nutrients cycle through ecosystems as they are taken up by organisms, released through decomposition, and recycled through biological and geological processes. Population dynamics, the factors that influence the growth, distribution, and abundance of populations over time, are another crucial aspect of ecology. These factors include birth rates, death rates, immigration, emigration, competition, predation, and disease. Ecological communities are made up of populations of different species living and interacting together in a particular area. Community ecology examines the various types of interactions between species, such as competition, predation, mutualism, parasitism, and commensalism. Finally, ecosystem ecology studies the flow of energy and nutrients through ecosystems, as well as the services ecosystems provide to humans. These services include air and water purification, nutrient cycling, climate regulation, and pollination. In conclusion, ecology is the science of relationships within the natural world. It helps us understand how organisms and their environments are interconnected, how ecosystems function, and how they respond to changes. This understanding is vital for addressing environmental challenges such as habitat loss, climate change, and biodiversity loss, and for managing our natural resources sustainably. The study of ecology, therefore, is not just fascinating, but also profoundly important for our future.